PhoneSoap 3 UV Smartphone Sanitizer and Universal Charger patented and clinically proven UV light disinfector, black. PhoneSoap 3, the first UVC sanitizer and charger. This unit houses two scientifically proven germicidal UVC bulbs that completely sanitize your entire phone, killing 99.99% of all bacteria and germs. In addition, the unit offers one USB port and one USB-C port for charging. As seen on Shark Tank, Discovery Channel, Good Morning America, and QVC. PhoneSoap's revolutionary bacteria-zapping technology was featured on ABC's Shark Tank, tested and proven effective on the Discovery Channel, and sold to hundreds of thousands of happy customers on Good Morning America and QVC. Stay healthy. Our phones gather all the bacteria we touch throughout the day, and then they are stored in warm and dark places like purses and pockets, leaving the bacteria to breed and grow. They are the third hand we never wash. Using PhoneSoap on a regular basis will help keep germs and illness at bay. Fits and charges any phone. PhoneSoap 3 was built to accommodate all smartphones, including larger models like the iPhone 8 Plus and the Galaxy S10 Plus. The USB and USB-C ports in the back of the unit offer universal charging to all devices. You're going to charge your phone every night anyway, you may as well sanitize it too, clean whatever fits. The PhoneSoap 3 was created with smartphones in mind, but will sanitize anything that fits inside: pacifiers, smartwatches, headphones, keys, you name it. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.